People say the job market is tough. Trust me, people have been saying that since back in the 1930s, maybe the 1800s. Well, probably not the 1800s. They were probably forced to work back then. But anyway, so listen, the job search is always going to be tough, but having skills, marketing yourself like crazy, you see, there's always something selling, right? It's all about how you market yourself and make yourself look valuable to companies and organizations that need your help. So I go over everything I've done since 2007 when I got out of the military and walked into an IT job with no experience whatsoever, and then got the opportunity at Act for Healthcare, and then landed some government contract jobs, and ultimately landed federal government jobs. So I go through all of these steps and tricks and tips I've learned, how to use open source intelligence, how to use LinkedIn, how to apply directly, what exactly to do. Go ahead and click it, sign up, and I'll walk you through it. Or you can keep Googling. Yeah, how's that working for you?